In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Workspace accounts. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google Workspace site. You can easily find it by searching for Google Workspace in your preferred search engine, or by typing in workspacegoogle.com in the address bar of your web browser. Once you've arrived at the home page, the next thing you will need to do is click on the admin console. This is your control center for managing all aspects of Google Workspace, so accessing it is essential for making any administrative changes. After clicking on the admin console, you'll be taken to the Google Workspace dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your Google Workspace environment, displaying key information and enabling you to manage users, services, and settings. From here, look for the option labeled Accounts. Clicking this will bring you one step closer to the transfer process. Once you are on the Accounts page, direct your attention to the Domains option. Selecting domains might sound technical, but it's simply the area where you can manage and configure all the domains associated with your Google Workspace account. It's important to note that having multiple domains allows you to better organize your users and services. Now, you'll want to click on Manage Domains. Within this section, you'll see various domain-related settings. It's crucial to have accurate and verified domain information to facilitate a seamless transfer of your account. The next step is to click on Verify Domain. Verification is an essential part of ensuring that the domain you're dealing with is indeed yours or has the necessary permissions to be managed. Google provides detailed instructions and options for verifying your domain, which generally involve adding a specific record to your domain's DNS settings. Follow these instructions carefully to complete the verification process. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated through the Google Workspace admin console to set up everything needed for making a transfer. This sequence allows you to manage your domains effectively, ensuring that your Google Workspace account is transferred smoothly and securely. Remember, going through these steps will help provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your information is verified and protected during this process. If you encounter any issues or require further assistance, Google's comprehensive support resources are a great place to seek help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you found this video useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in managing your digital workspace.